Hi, Dr. Malik here from the Square One Health Clinic. Today I want to take a moment to talk about TMJ pain. TMJ is short for temporomandibular joint. It's a very common problem we see at the clinic. High levels of stress, injury, maybe a visit to the dentist can cause jaw pain, which can cause discomfort when you're trying to open your mouth or when you're trying to eat hard foods, or even when you're trying to brush your teeth. The cause of this pain is usually tightness of the masseter muscle. This muscle is located around the jaw, and when this muscle gets tight, it can be difficult to open the jaw. So at our clinic, we use a few different techniques to help loosen this muscle up. One of the techniques we use is called Graston therapy. It's a very common technique. It's used with a lot of sporting injuries. And what this technique involves is using metal instruments to help loosen up the muscles of the jaw. And what this does is it helps to promote better mobility and flexibility of the masseter muscle. And this actually causes less pain and helps improve mobility of the TMJ joint. So if you're interested in TMJ, or if you know someone who might be interested, just have them visit our website at squareonehealth.ca, and from there, if they're interested, they can book an appointment and we can go over some of the treatment options and hopefully get them on a path of healing.